Good evening, friends. I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed in the last trading session, which was on 24th June, Friday, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 27th of June, first day of last month weekly series of June. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the global indices, how all the indices performed on Friday. If we talk about the Europe, Germany closed in good green, France, some of the indices were up by more than 3%. A couple of indices did not trade and closed at 0%. If we talk about UK closed in good green, all the indices are up by more than 1%. And if we talk about China, all the indices were trading in green on the 24th of June. So it seems like the global market is trying to recover. If we talk about US closed in good green. Nasdaq is up by 3.5%. Dow Jones is up by 2.68%, and S&P 500 3%. So there is a good indication by the global markets. If we talk about the FII-DI data, looks like FII-DI data is not available as of now. So let's skip this for some time. If we talk about the Indian market opened gap up of approximately 100 points and then it traded in just a range of 100 points. It was from 620, 15,620 to 15,720. So it was more or less a very narrow range which we saw on Friday. So tomorrow we can see a huge gap of approximately 100 to 150 points. As of now, SGX Nifty closed at 15,859, which is 158 points higher than the previous close. Now what we need to look at is so there is a gap which is pending and there is a trend line which is coming. So if we stretch this trend line, Nifty has to fill this gap as soon as possible, otherwise the fall which will come will be huge. So what we need to see is when this gap is going to be filled by Nifty. So what is happening as of now is we might open gap up tomorrow, but there is a huge pressure at 15,820 zone, which is the first resistance. Second is 15,900 and then 16,000. On the lower side, the first support comes at 15,670, followed by 15,500 to 520. And in fact, whenever this trend line is going to hit, it will create as a support for the market. So we can't say what would be the support level, but 15,500 will definitely act as a support, followed by 15,430. We can see this on option chain as well. Right now at 15,700, we can see 15,500. Good amount of put writers are active over there and call writers have closed their position. So we can say for this weekly series, this can act as a support. On the higher side, 16,000 looks like a resistance. So we need to see how things pan out tomorrow and how market behaves. So on a broader range, 15,500 to 16,000 looks like a zone in this week, because this is a monthly expiry and we need to see how much monthly contracts are being rolled over. So as of now at 15,700, when we talk about Bank Nifty closed at 33,627, approximately 1.5 percent higher as compared to Nifty, 1.5 percent. However, Nifty was just 0.92. So Bank Nifty is much or less stronger as compared to the Nifty, and Bank Nifty is at 33,600. The first resistance is 33,750, followed by 34,000 and then 34,100. On the support side, the first support is at 33,400, followed by 33,200 and then 33,000. So these are the support levels. Let's validate the levels on option chain. As of now, we are at 33,600. The immediate support and the support for this weekly series can be set at 33,000, because 61,000 contracts are active over here on the put side. If we talk about the resistance, 34,500 can act as a resistance, because 34,000 can be easily broken by the gap up. So let's not consider this level. However, 34,000 can act as a resistance for this weekly series. That's all for this video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.